Grande, Angela, Michelle,
Okay, so how are you today? Since we haven't met for the last 4 days. Kamusta kayo mo? Okay, so now, okay, since you are okay and totally fine, okay, so who can give me a recap of what we've discussed last meeting? Last meeting, okay? Yes? Yes, anyone? Anyone? Hannah? It's all about exterior, inequality, exterior angles, inequality, Europe. So what is exterior angles? Anyone?
Gawas.
Angles na sa gawas? Are you sure na sa gawas? Okay, so exterior angles is naa sa angle naa sa the form naa sa gawas. Okay. And how about the interior angles? Naa sa sud. And what is the sum if we added the 3 angles inside the inside the triangle? Wala man. It's all about 180 degrees. And how about this one? Sa exterior angle? Okay. 360 degrees. So now, since we've done with the exterior angle, so to proceed with the new topic. But before we proceed sa new topic, do you want to have a game?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, so this game is called Find Me. Okay, what you are going to do is you will find these words ari. Ha? Ka-familiar ba mo ani ng game? Kanang-search mo na ng words or kanang na siya sa Charlo, di ba? Nasa Charlo? Word search or word puzzle. Okay, so what you are going to do is you will find this following word. So, usa ka word, usa ka student so that others will be given a chance to answer ha. And I will give, after answering, I will give you a chips. And these chips contains 3 points ha. 3 points. Ang kanina, chips. And it is recorded for your performance task. Understood?
Yes.
Pangutana. Okay, so anyone, kisa may ganang mo answer sa triangle or kisa may ganang mo palita sa triangle? Oh yes, ikaw doon. How about the inequality? Ako, yes, ako. How about the leg? Leg. Yes. How about figuram? Ako na. Figuram. Dili ka? Why? O ikaw na lang. Yes. Ikaw. Sige, makita ka na rin mo. Okay, for the theorem. And also for the angle. For the Yura? Yung sili siya kita, ikaw. Ikaw na lang, sige, ikaw. Value. Value is kaan. Okay, inequality. Triangle. Okay, napa ba? Napa? Or wala na? Okay. What are the words, guys, all together? Can we read? Triangle, inequality, length, theorem, angles, triangle, less than, side, sum, value. Okay, we have find the triangle, the inequality, the theorem, the sides, the angles, the length, the greater than. How about the last than? This one. And how about the value and the sum? And all of these words are for our next topic. And our next topic is all about triangle inequality theorem. Okay. So, but before that, let me have first, or let me state our lesson objective. Okay, first state the triangle inequality theorem. Second, illustrate triangle inequality theorem. The third is develop positive through active participation and collaboration in a pair activity. Okay, pag-answer niyo sa game, did you develop a positive attitude? Nalipay pa mo? Yes! Sure? Permasing type on. Okay, can you raise your hands kung answer gani? Thank you. So that you have your chips. So answer di ka. Jing. Okay. Okay, so that chips contains 3 points. Okay, develop positive through active participation and collaboration in a pair activity. And the fourth one, appreciate the important value of theorems on triangle inequality in real-world situation. So, mga kailangan natong makuha or goal na to at the end of the lesson, dapat pakahibaw mo ani or ma-develop din ninyo na mga attitude. Sabot? Okay. Everybody eyes on me? Eyes on you. Okay. For our next activity, okay, kindly find a pair. Kindly find a pair. Or inuha na lang seatmate para dili tapuan. Okay. Tana? Tana ba? Tana pair? Okay, pagtapan ko sa inyong pair. Para basta yun. Pagtapan ko sa inyong pair. How about you? Intay? You have a pair? Yeah, okay. Magtapan ka. Okay, pagtapan ko.
I have no fear.
You have no pair? Why? Isa'y walay pair. Can you raise your hand? No, kamo daw to. Kamo. Kamo to ha?
Oh, katagal.
Kamo to ha? Pagtapan ko. Para mas dali ninyo masabutan ang inyong mag-watch later on sa tuwang activity. Tana may pair din tayo. Tana kay pair. Siya din, tana nag-vlog. O, pair ka lang mo. Pagtapan ko. Sige, tapat. Now, vote ikaw. Okay, you will answer individually na lang.
Kami lang, Claire.
Are you okay? Naman siya. Ikaw, isa mo pair. Wala. O kamoy pair. Ha? Isa ka yung partner. Siya? Hindi. O ako na lang. O din mo naman.
Ah, layo eh. Kenapa lu?
Okay, ako ang pair. Pagdapan ko na rin. Pagdapan ko na rin. Ikaw, individual na lang ka.
Iya.
Are you okay with that? Okay? Then,
Iya, komando.
for this one, okay, as you can see, we have here a triangle. We have here a triangle with the sides A, B, and C. So therefore, ang inyong pangitaon sa inyong pair is ang any two sides of ang ato ang third sides. Okay, kasabot raman ang sides, no? Kaila raman ang sides. So therefore, inyong pangitaon ang any two sides of ang ato ang third sides. Kabot, i-list ra ninyo ang letters dira. Is it okay to you? Sabot, questions. Wala? Okay, you can start now. Okay, papel lang. Okay.
Hah? Bapak Pil.
Okay, we have here the three sides but now we have the A, B, and C. Okay, you will choose if nasa tira ang inyong ibutan sa any two sides. And also for the third side. Ha? Okay. Just na kay any one. How about Hana? Na mo any two sides? Hana, okay, can you stand up and tell them what is your any two sides and the third side? Okay, yes, Hana? Yes? You have? You have? A and B. Ngayon, your third side is C. Okay. For Hana and Ninya, kailangan ko ng any two sides is A and B. Yan ang ilahibilin will be the third side. Okay, how about for Tignos? Okay, what? Usa yung hang quadrant side? Asa yung pair? Okay, usa ba yung hang quad? Any two sides dira? It is B and C. B and C. And your third side will be A. Okay, and for the last one.
COP.
Yes, Itay. Usa yung hang quad? Yes. Okay. See okay? See okay? In your hand, any two sides. And you have third side will be B. Okay, so these are the following any two sides. These are the following answers. So any two sides will know any pair of sides. So we have A and B. So ang nahibilin will be our C. So, same pa mong answer dire? Same pa mong answer? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, kindly give 5 points on your paper. Honestly, ha? Okay. So we have here a pair of sides. We have A and B, and our third side is C. If not a pair of sides na B and C, we have a third side of A. And if we have a pair of sides sa C and A, we have the third side as our B. But what if we give measurements sa ato ang sides? What if ato ang butangan o measurements ato ang sides? So therefore, mahimo na siya. E is equal to 6. Ngayon, B is equal to 9. How about the C?
11.
Equal to 11. equal to
6.
6. C is equal to 11. A is equal to 6.
6.
B is equal to 9. But how about if we add these two kanina mga sides? What if we add nila to ato ang mga sides? Okay. Kindly add kanina mga sides. What can you observe if we add na to ato ang mga any two sides? I-compare na to siya sa ato ang third side. Okay?
26.
Puros 15? Yes, why? Why did you say na puros 15? Yes, ito.
26 lang.
Hindi, sige, sige.
6.
Puros?
26.
Puros 26? Okay. Ingon siya na puros ko ng 15. Ingon ko siya puros 26. Masaman?
Puros 15, ma'am. No.
Poros tanan.
Puros 15, ma'am.
Puros 15? Okay, yes, Hana? O, sige, yes. Angelica?
Basta ko ang input size mo, i-add sila.
Mas dako ato ang Okay, 6 plus 9. 15. How about our third side? 11. So, kisay mas dako, 15 or 11?
15.
Okay, how about the 9 plus 11? 20. Yeah, then our third side, 6.
6.
Yan na yun. How about, okay, kisay mas dako, 20 or 6? 20. And how about si 11 plus 6? 17. Na yun, mas dako siya ni 9. So therefore, ang giingon ni Angelica, can you repeat in time? Can you repeat? Mas? Mas dako ang ato ang two sides kaysa sa ato ang third side. So, mas dako ang sum kuno sa ato ang duha ka sides kaysa sa ato ang third side. And that is the concept of triangle inequality theorem. It is because in triangle inequality theorem must greater than kuno na mas dakot siya na ang sum sa duha ka any two sides kaysa sa ato ang third side. Dito kuno mahimo na mas dako ato ang third side. So if dako ato ang third side, so dili na siya concept sa triangle inequality theorem. So therefore, okay, so the sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. So I have here some examples. Okay, I have here some examples. Okay, so I have here the following numbers na first length mao ni ang length sa ato ang kuan sa triangle. So we have 7, 4, 5. Okay, 7, 4, 5. So, can you give me any two kuan or any two lengths or any kuan and the third side or kuan measure sa ato ang third side? We have 4. 4. Yes, Hana? 4. What's about? 4. 6. Natin ko 6. 4,
any two sides?
Oh, yes, any two sides. 4, 5 of 7. 5 of 7. 5, 7. Dayon, ano sa pa?
4.
Dayon, the third side will be 4. Dayon, how about, ano sa pa?
4.
5 and 4. 5 and 4. Dayon, the third side will be 7. Okay, let's check Bachud. If kanina pair o kanina length of sides kay ban pa siya sa ato ang triangle. If true ba ni siya tanan? na kaning if i-add na to ning duha ka mga measurements sa sides, if greater than pa jud ni kaysa sa ato ang third side. Okay, 7 plus 4. 12. 11. Okay, so we have here 11. Kasi mas ako 11 or 5?
11.
Okay, 11 is greater than 5. How about 5 plus 7? 12. So, it is greater than 4. And how about 5 plus 4? 9. And it is greater than 7. Okay, so we can say that this measures or length of a triangle is all true and they are the possible line for our triangle. And how about if I say these numbers, or kanina length, if kanina length ang ato ang balon, we have 9, 11, and 2. Anyone who can show me if kani ba siya true or dili? Oh yes, Dignos. Yes, Dignos.
This slide is
Yes. Okay, continue lang.
9.
Okay, next. Isa ka na. Ako. Sige pa. Ako. Sige, answer na the number. If ka na ba siya mo result na siya sa true.
13.
13. Okay, how about the other part? Other 82 sides.
18.
Oh.
9, 11.
Okay. Yun.
13. Dibalik na.
Maura man na.
Isa pa. Okay, nice. Sige.
9 of 11.
9 of 2. Parehas ra? Sige. Okay, so we can say that dili siya ato ang measurement or length sa ato ang triangle. It is because, ano man? It is because 11 ang equal siya. 9 plus 2. Ang akali ato ang ikatulo na 82 sides and the third side kay equal siya. 9 plus 2 equal siya sa ato ang third side. And it is stated in our triangle inequality theorem that the sum of our 82 sides kay it is greater than sa ato ang third side. So it is false. So therefore, dili din ato length ang kanina measurement sa ato ang triangle. Okay. How about for the last example? Okay. How about for this number? 12, 10, and 12. Okay, who can answer this one? Yes, inside. Okay, you have pair of any two sides is 12 and 10. Also, hashtag 12 and 12. And for the last inside, someone. Okay, same as siya sa 12 and 10. So, is it true or false? True. It is all true. It is because 12 and 10, 12 plus 10 is equal to 22, and 22 it is greater than 12. 12. It is greater than 12. And how about 12 plus 12?
24.
24, and it is greater than 10. So this number of kuan or this length of a triangle kay module ni siya. Pwede din nato siya magamit sa kanila mga length sa ato ang triangle kay true man iyahang gawas. Okay, so here. Okay, so for our example number 2, I will just read na lang ha. Okay, two sides of a triangle kono measures 15 and 9 centimeters. Okay, 15 and 9 centimeters. The measures of a one kono or our two sides of a triangle measures 15 and 9 centimeters. Dayon, write an inequality that represents the range of values for the possible length of the third side. Kailangan daw na kwaon ang ato ang mga range sa possible values sa ato ang third side. When we say range, gikanan or daghan siya mga possible na kanang answers for that one. Okay, so we have here for our third side, so we will represent our third side as our x. As our x. Kaya siya man atong pangitaon ang ato ang x or ato ang third side. Okay. So for that one, in getting the third side, we have here the formula. So formula in getting the third side is difference third side ayun difference third side is greater than the difference ayun less than our sum. Okay, so difference yung third side ayun sum ayun for this one. Okay, since we have here our two sides or two lengths of our two sides, so kung sa ganito ato ang measure sa ato ang two sides 15 and 9. Okay, so 15 and then so the first one is a difference kuno sa ato ang any two sides. So 15 minus 9. Dayon kung ano sa ganito representation sa ato ang third side representation, it is the x. Okay, so we have here the x. X is greater than 15 minus 10 and less than 15. When we say sum, kung sa galing sum, add. So, 15 plus 9. Okay, in getting the value or range sa ato ang x, so therefore 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9, pila man? 6. Dayon, kuan. greater than 6 but less than 24. So, sa mga number na greater than 6, dayon less than 24. So, inakan to 23. So, mauni na possible ka mga numbers na mo kuhan sa ato ang third side. Mao na magpasible na to nalan sa ato ang third side. Kaya mo pa nang iikot na our third side kono, it is greater than 6 but less than 24. Okay? Sabot? Pagutana? Okay, wala? Okay, so we have here, okay, I have here, I will draw the illustration na lang. Okay, let's find some examples. Okay, 18, 2x, and x. Okay, for this one, what is our length? What is our two lengths? 18 and 2x. There's the x. So therefore, ang kailangan man pangitaon is ang value man ni x. Kaya nanaman din sila mga kuan. So we have here, ma'am, ganun si 1 ma'am, ganun 2x minus x 1 ma'am, ganun dili man 2x minus 18. It is because ang atong gipangita is si x. Dun kinsa may line x dira. Diba si 2x raman. So therefore si 18 na ato ang kinalasan. Mao na ato ang third side si 18. Okay, so therefore we have here 18 is greater than 2x minus x and less than 2x plus x. It is because saan kaya ito? Difference to yun. Third side and our sum. Okay. Okay, yes, questions? Sorry. Sorry. That is x. That is x. Sorry, that's it. So 2x minus x is 18 is greater than 2x minus x and less than 2x plus x. So therefore, kailangan ito siya duha ka maagi. So we have here, kailangan ito sa kaniunahon si 2x minus x is equal, is greater than, 18 is greater than 2x minus x. Okay, 2x minus x. 2x minus x. 2x minus x. 2x minus x. 2 4 x. So this is x. X. So we have here 2x minus x is x. And how about for this one? Okay, we have here. And for our second one, it is 2x plus x is greater than 18. Ma'am, ganun greater than na wala, ma'am? It is because kani may atong giuna. Kani ang atong giuna. If kani atong unahon, ma-change sa nato ang inequality. Ma-change na ato ang inequality. So therefore, parehas naman na siya. Kaya it is stated here, 18 is greater than 2x minus x but less than 2x plus x. Parehas na na siya, giuna na lang siya. So 2x plus x. 2x plus x. 2x plus x. Ila? 3x. So it is 3x. Guys, nanin, imaginary na 1 tira ha. So it is 3x. 3 is greater than 18. Ngayon, divide both sides by 3 to get the value sa ato ang x. So we have here x is greater than 6. 18 divided by 6. 18 divided by 3. 6. So it is 6. So therefore, our x states that x is 6. Okay. X is greater than 6 but less than 18. So therefore, we have a range of values sa ato ang kuan. Range of values sa ato ang makuha nato kung usay iyahang mga values. So we have less than 80, greater than 6 but less than 18. So what are the numbers mangkuno wala? Greater than it is 7 to 17. So let's try some numbers. If tinuod ba jud na kani sila mga numbers like ba jud ang ato ang length sa ato ang triangle. Okay, we have here man kuno na 1. So let's try some numbers. What number? 7? Let's start with the 7 numbers. 7. Okay. Let's start with the 7. Okay, let's start with the number 7. Para makuha na to ang ato ang range or tinuod ba jud na kanina mga range sa ato ang length kay draw ba jud horizontal siya into draw. Okay, we have here. Okay, so gamito na nato ang atong concept po sa triangle inequality theorem na therefore if ang i-add na sa ato ang two sides horizontal siya was greater than sa ato ang third side. Okay. So our x. So therefore, if we have a number 7, if number 7 na itong gamiton, so 2 times 7 is greater than 7. 18 plus 2 times 7. Ilan? 14. Ngayon, greater than 7. So 18 plus 14. 18 plus 14. So it is 32. So it is greater than 7. So therefore, we can say that 7 is the possible land for our triangle. The possible land for our triangle. Kaya i-resolve man siya into third. Mas dako man iyahang kuan. Pag-add. Okay, how about if we say, if we want to kuan, this one, 2x plus x. Okay, so we have here, how about if 2x plus x ngayon greater than 18? 2x times 7. 2x times 7? 14. Ngayon 7. 14 plus 7? 21. It is 21. So it is greater than 18. Okay, so we can say that it is true. Kay mas dako si 21 kaysa sa ato ang 18. Ibalik-balik na tanong sides kato sa atong 82 sides. Gigamit na to ang triangle inequality theorem na concept that 18 plus 2x is greater than x, then 2x plus x is greater than 18. And for our last one, we have 18. X plus 18. X plus 18 is greater than 2x. So x we have 7. So, yung 18. Ngayon, 2 times 7. 14. So, how about 18 plus 7? How about 18 plus 7? It is 25. So we can say that it is greater than sa ato ang third side. So 7 is the possible land for our triangle and also for the others na katong mga kutob siya 7 to 7. Ba yato ang range kay x is greater than 6 but less than 18. Okay, pangutana. How to get that? Pangutana. Questions? Done?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll proceed.
So the next day.
Okay. For our okay, and pangutana sa be? Wala? Sure? Okay. So let's proceed. Okay. So let's proceed with our angle side relationship theorem. And this is also under sa dual triangle inequality theorem. Okay, it is the angle side relationship theorem. Okay, mamusay na sa ato ang angle side relationship theorem. So it composed of this one, this table. Okay, we have here angles and our opposite side. Angles and opposite sides. Okay. So I will draw the illustration. Kita ka mo dira? Yes. Okay, for our is
5.
Okay. What is our angles today? What is our angles? What is, okay, can you name or give me the angles for measure sa ato ang angles dira? Okay, yes and right?
60.
It is, we have 60. And how about,
75.
and also, unsa pa gani last one? The 45. So these are our measures sa ato ang angles as you can see in the illustration. Okay, so only a measure sa ato ang angles. Or we have A is equal to or we have A is equal to 75. Ngayon, B is equal to 5.
45.
C is equal to 45. And C is equal to 65. Okay. So how about sa ato ang measurement or mga opposite sides? What is our opposite side sa ato ang angle? Angle 75. Sure mo?
Yes.
Unsay opposite side sa ato ang angle 75? Opposite side. Unsay opposite niya? Opposite side. Opposite. At bang kuno. It is the, unsa man siya ang 14? It is the side side BC. Correct. So it is the side BC and it is equal to 14. And how about sa 2 ang 45? What is the opposite side sa 2 ang angle ng 45? 8. So it is AC is equal to 8. And how about for our C? Sa? Anyone? AB. So we have AB and pila sa AB is equal to 10. So therefore, kuno, in our angle side relationship kuno, we can say that ang ato ang tanawa, ang ato ang largest na angle kay opposite gyud kuno na siya permi sa ato ang opposite side. Magkaatbang gyud kuno na sila ang ato ang largest angle ug ang ato ang opposite or kinadak-an nga side. Mao na ang kuan sa ato ang concept sa ato ang angle side relationship. Na if dako ato ang kung asa ang dako sa ato ang opposite sa ato ang angle, ang iyahang opposite mo na ang kinadak-an sad na measure sa side. So therefore, if I say what is the kanang smallest angle, and what is the cornea opposite the smallest side. So therefore, we can say that B is our smallest angle. B is our smallest, and iyaha sa kaatbang kay mausad ang ginagamihan na measure sa side, which is the A, and that is the angle side relationship theorem. And also, parihas ra na siya concept sa ang side angle relationship theorem. If we say side na gani, so pangitaw na to si side daan, so makadetermine ka if imaingon ko na unsay angle nga opposite sa ato ang largest na side or longest na side diay, longest na side. So if we have the longest side ng 14, so automatically ato ang angle, ang largest angle na to will be 75 and it is 8. Mausad na ang kuan sa side angle side relationship theorem. Give vice versa na siya guys. Dala mo vice versa?
Yes.
Kanang gipuli-puli na silang duha. If maingon ko na si angle ang sama niyahang opposite side, so therefore automatically si kuan BC. Mo niyahang longest side si BC. Kaya mo niyahang atbang mo man ang concept sa atong angle side relationship theorem o sa ang side angle side relationship theorem. Sagot?
Yes.
Questions? Done? Sure? Okay, so what is triangle inequality theorem gani? Okay, yes, inside? Yes, can this stand up? Any two sides, the sum of any two sides is greater than the left or the third side. Okay, and how about the angle side relationship theorem? Yes, inside. Yes? Angle? Okay, angle side relationship and side angle relationship. Kung sa may na yes, ang angle side ang side sukad mo kung sa what? If ang sukad sa angles kay dako, so automatic
sukad sa angles
may tinadakan. Okay, very good. Okay, so automatically, if ma-identify na nato ang ato ang largest angle, so maka-identify na sa ato ang longest side. Kaya it is stated that opposite ra na sila. Opposite ra na ato ang largest angle ug ato ang longest side. So if mangita ta sa ato ang longest side, so automatically panaw na to kung sa may atbang ni largest angle. And if mangita ta sa ato ang largest angle, so kailangan na ito tanawin kung sa may opposite sa ato ang side na tinatasan. So therefore, it is the angle-side relationship theorem and side-angle-side relationship theorem. Okay, questions? Wala? Are you sure? Basta naman na nibugan. Also, on getting the range sa values. Wala? So what is the formula gani in getting sa range sa value sa ato ang length sa triangle? It is the difference or third side is greater than difference na yun less than sum. Okay, so difference or third side is greater than difference ngayon less than our sum. Okay, so that is our formula for getting the range of values sa ato ang length or possible values sa atong length sa ato ang third side. Okay, questions? Are you sure? Yes. Okay. Okay, so since you don't have since you don't have questions na doon or panguta na ba sila gibong question mo? Wala na? Sure? Okay, since we don't have enough time, we will just I will just send you the assignment na to sa to isend ako karon after so you will just send it to me in Monday. I will just collect it or we will just check it on Monday. Is it clear?
Yes.
Everybody eyes on me?
Eyes on you.
Is it properly? Okay, pangusana. Basta nag-smoke wala na. Okay, also I will send the PowerPoint presentation regarding about our